Hey guys, Kyle here, and we're going to be showing you how to make organic cleaner solution. And I'm going to be giving out one for free. First, we'll be needing witch hazel. And now we're going to be needing vinegar. And we need 1 tablespoon of castile soap. So we're going to be putting essential oils in, but it says 24, but we're actually going to be doing 50 because we have to get rid of the smell of the vinegar and the alcohol. We have to put this particular alcohol because it has rose smell. Now I'm gonna add some water to top it off, and there's directions on the bottle, so now it's all finished, and so we're gonna test it out over on the sink. Shake it up. Smelling good. We're also giving one of these bottles away for free, and comment below and say me